Be ready. Start. The onset and progress of some disease are affected by environmental factors related to service conditions, dietary compulsions, exposure to noise, physical and mental stress and strain. Stop. Disease due to infection arising in service will merit an entitlement of attributability. Stop. Nevertheless, attention must be given to the possibility of pre service history of such conditions, which, if proved, could rule out entitlement of CWP number 7277 of 2013 attributability, but would require consideration regarding aggravation. Stop. For clinical description of common disease, reference shall be made to the Guide of Medical Officers (military pensions) 1980 as amended from time to time. Stop. The classification of diseases affected by environmental factors in service is given in Annexure 3rd to these rules. Stop. Medical opinion at initial claim stage. Medical views on entitlement and assessment are given by the BMB. Stop. Normally, these views shall prevail for decisions in accepting or rejecting the claim. Stop. In case of doubt, the Ministry may refer such cases for second medical opinion to MA pensions sections in the office of CCDA Allahabad respectively. Stop. At appeal stage, appropriate appellate medical authorities can review and revise the opinion of the medical boards on entitlement and assessment. Stop. If it is established that the disability was not caused by service attributability, shall not be considered. Stop. However, aggravation by service is to be accepted unless any worsening in his condition was not due to his service or worsening did not persist on the date of discharge / claim. Stop. There are a number of medical conditions which are of unknown. Stop. In dealing with such conditions, the following guiding principles are laid down. Stop. If nothing at all in known about the cause of the disease and presumption of the entitlement in favor of the claimant is not rebutted, attributability should be considered. Stop. If the disease is one which arises and progresses independently of service environmental factors, then the claim may be rejected. Stop. Annexure 1 to such appendix classifies the diseases which are affected by climatic conditions, stress and strain, compulsions, training, marching, prolonged standing, etc., environmental altitude, submarines, and in flying duties. Stop. It also classifies the diseases not normally affected by service. Stop. Though such rules are applicable only to the personnel who become non-effective on or after 1/1/1982, but the substantive provisions of the rules prior thereto were not very different. Stop. Para. Most of the cases now under consideration are in respect of service personnel who have become non-effective on or after 1/1/1982. Stop. In respect of the personnel who have become non-effective prior to 1/1/1982, the claim of disability pension will be considered in that petition. Stop. Apart from such regulations contained in Appendix 2nd, reference is made to the instructions issued to the medical officers of the services in the year 2002. Stop. Regulation 423 of Chapter 8 related to medical boards and disposal of special cases in respect of determination of the diseases attributable to service reads as under stop. Attributability to service: the cause of a disability or death resulting from wound or injury will be regarded as attributable to service if the wound or injury was sustained during the actual performance of duty in armed forces. Stop. In case of injuries which were self inflicted or due to an individual's own serious negligence or misconduct, the board will also comment how far the disability resulted from self infliction, negligence, or misconduct. Stop para. The cause of a disability or death resulting from a disease will be regarded as attributable to service when it is established that the disease arose during service and the conditions and circumstances of duty in the armed forces determined and contributed to the onset of the disease. Stop. Cases in which it is established that service conditions did not determine or contribute to the onset of the disease but influenced the subsequent course of the disease will be regarded as aggravated by the service. Stop. A disease which has led to an individual's discharge or death will ordinarily be deemed to have arisen in service if no note of it was made at the time of the individual's acceptance for service in the armed forces. Stop. However, if medical opinion holds for reasons to be stated that the disease could not have been detected on medical examination prior to acceptance for service, the disease will not be deemed to have arisen during service. Stop. The question whether a disability or death is attributable to or aggravated by service or not will be decided as regards its medical aspects by a medical board or by the medical officer who signs the death certificate. Stop. The medical board will specify reasons for their opinion. Stop. The opinion of the medical board / medical officer insofar as it relates to the actual cause of the disability or death and the circumstances in which it originated will be regarded as final. Stop. Over.